guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Celine. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a blowout at home. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the way that I like to do it on myself and on other people too. It's pretty much doing a blowout with curls in it, not just like a bend or not just straight, because there's many ways you can do a blowout, but I'm gonna show you guys the way that I like to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys the things that you will need. You will need clips, you're gonna need a comb, you're gonna need these metal clips to clip your hair if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. That's just to kind of give you a little more of a hold up here, like volume. And the products that I will be using will be, it's pretty much like a volume boosting thing. I don't like to use too much product because it does weigh my hair down, but it's all up to you, you know, your hair. So I like to use the Drybar Southern Belle. I put it a little bit on my roots and the rest on my ends. And then I also put Prep Rally, which is pretty much a detangler and a heat protectant. So I'm gonna add that right now. I'm gonna brush it out. If you have super tangly hair, start from the bottom. Work your way up. Because if you start from up here, you're just gonna make the knots tighter. Okay. And then we're gonna add some of the Southern Belle. Just about that much. With your fingertips, just add a little bit on your roots, not too much. The rest of it, I put it on my ends. Pretty much everywhere, not just my ends. I put it everywhere. So now we're gonna part the hair. I like to part it, you guys can already see it's already wanting to part right there, but I want to part it down the middle. So I mean, it doesn't matter the way that I'm gonna do it, doesn't matter where you're gonna part it, just as long as you have this middle part sectioned out, and then when it's dry you guys can section it out. I mean, part it whichever way you guys want. I'm just using my nails. And then section out the side pieces. And then we're gonna clip this back part away. And then we're going to get about half of whatever you have. Just a little bit more. Just like that. And then we're going to clip this out of the way, and we're gonna work on this section right here. Okay, and then we're gonna clip this. Just kind of twirl it around your fingers until you get like a little set right there. And then we're gonna clip that. You guys don't have to do this if you guys don't want that extra volume. But I like to do it because I love a lot of volume. And I want my curls to set too, so they can last a little longer. I like to add these two together. So that it makes one. And again, just twirl it. So you get a little twirly in there. I don't know how this is called, but pretty much like a set. There, I like to add two because it's a lot of hair, so there you go. And then what I like to do on these top sections is grabbing your comb and teasing it. I can't really see how much I'm grabbing, but I kind of get a feel of it, like how much hair I should grab. And then section this out. Then we're gonna have two pieces like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this back section. I still have this middle section right here, and this one we're gonna do it in half. Go ahead and do this section now. And this last piece, depending on how wide it is, you can either section it in half or do this whole section on its own. I'm gonna start off by just kind of drying the roots, because I can't really like reach that good in that area, so I'm just trying to get the roots really dry and then just focus this on the end. You'll end up with all these little bouncy curls. So then I just kind of run my fingers through them lightly. Or you can flip your hair upside down, whichever way you want to do it. So I want to do it down the middle, part it down the middle. And then this is how your hair should pretty much end up looking. If you set it, if you don't set it, you're not gonna get this volume unless your hair naturally has a lot of volume. Then you are very lucky. But my hair tends to fall, so I love to set my hair in those pin sets because it helps give me that volume, and it helps set my curls just a little bit. See how they're super soft? Yeah, this is pretty much the blowout, the final look. You guys can't even see the bottom part, but this is how it looks. Super cute. And then to finish off, you guys can add hairspray if you guys want. I don't like to add anything to my hair. I like to just keep it how it is so it lasts a little longer. Like cleaner a little longer. But that's totally up to you guys. You guys can add whatever you guys want to your hair in the end. You guys can add your oil to your ends, hairspray all over, whatever you guys want to add. But pretty much this is the final look for me, that how I like it. If you guys want to go over it with the curling iron to get more curl in there, you can. I just like to leave it like this. I love that volume and soft curls. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to do anything else with your hair, like how to do other styles, whatever, comment down below and I will see what I can do, if I can do that for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.